there is no random and everything follows the golden ratio, and on that note, let us begin our today's discussion on numerology number sequences. Numerology number sequences is a particular sequence or a pattern of number which repeats in your lives or which brings your attention to some uncanny or very coincidental feelings about numbers. Say suppose every time you decide to check the digital clock, it shows 3:33. Now that's pretty uncanny, and the very next moment you ask somebody's birthday and the person replies it's 3rd of March 1983. And many of you might be experiencing a certain kind of a bias towards some particular numbers or a particular alphabet. Now, these are no coincidences because numerology begins with the belief that there is no random and there are no coincidences. So it was actually not the apple that fell on Newton's head and led him to discover gravity. It was not the irritating wax candle that gave Edison the idea to discover the electric lamp. And neither was it the water in the bathtub of Archimedes which made him scream Eureka, Eureka. So it all happened for a reason. They were being given by clues by the universe, and they just took a leap of faith. They just went for their calling and discovered the treasure which was awaiting them, which gave them the ultimate glory and made them immortal. Now, there is no hard and fast rule about how to decode a particular number sequence. A particular sequence can mean a lot of things, and it is for you to find out what it actually implies to you. So for you, it is very important to get to know the basic meanings of the numbers from 0 to 9, because the basic meanings of each of the numbers do not actually change. So let us find out the meanings of the primary numbers. And that brings us to the alphabets. So every alphabet resonates to a number. If you see the Pythagorean alphabet chart over here, you can see A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, and so on. So if you wondered that your name started with an S and what was actually attracting you to the J all the time, you now know that both the alphabets resonate to the number 1. So you see, it's like a puzzle. You get the basics and you have to solve the rest. The most discussed numerology number sequence in the world is 911 or 911. It is the number for US Emergency Services and also the infamous coordinated terrorist attacks of September 11. 4 passenger airliners were hijacked by the terrorists so that they could be flown into targeted buildings in a suicide mission. Certain uncanny facts would be the date of the attack was September 11 or 9/11 reducing to an 11. Each building had 110 stories, again reducing to an 11. Twin towers standing side by side looks like the number 11. The first plane to hit the towers was the flight number 11. The state of New York is the 11 states added to the Union. 911 reminds us of one of the biggest tragedies in the history of mankind. But every time seeing a 911 sequence does not mean that you should always be alarmed and be in your guards. Because 911 can also have different meanings, where 9 means completion of a phase of your life and 1 means the beginning of a new phase. Or the sequence 911 can also mean the old to be replaced by something new. A similar pattern of its kind is the 1111 pattern. 1111 often creates a lot of duality and confusion, and they say that if you make any important decisions on a date reducing to an 11 and a sum total of an 11, you might be often repenting or might be having dual feelings about your decision. You might be thinking whether it's been a right decision or a wrong decision, you won't be very sure of it. However, 11 also stands for intuition and connecting with the universe. 11 can also mean that the universe is opening up to fulfill your desires. So the 1111 pattern can be a wake-up call or an activation code because it's got repeating ones. So with repeating ones, the emphasis is on pragmatism, is on action, because it's the ultimate source of energy, motivation and opportunities. It's going to mean new beginnings. And the 1111 pattern can also mean that it is an opportunity for you to make a wish and connect with the universe. The repeating 5s means some change is upcoming or you might prepare for a change. Repeating 3s means you must start communicating more and expressing yourself more. 4s means go for a reality check, seek stability and security. Now, one thing that needs a mention out here is when you see a particular sequence, you should first interpret all the numbers in the sequence and then you should add up the total sequence and reduce it to a single digit the way we do it always, and also evaluate the sum total. Say suppose you see a sequence which is a 333. So 333 individually has 3 3s, so the effect of 3 is to be studied, which means communication, expression and creativity, and adding the total sequence it reduces to a 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is a 9, so you also have to study the qualities of the number 9. Now the number 9 stands for very evolved wisdom and kindness and compassion. So it might actually mean that you start communicating and expressing yourself and sharing your wisdom with the whole wide world. The fear of number 13 is called triskaidekaphobia. Researchers estimate at least 10% of the US population has the fear of number 13, and each year, more specifically fear of Friday the 13th, known as paraskevidekatriaphobia. This results in financial losses over $800 million annually as people avoid getting married, traveling, or in more severe cases, even working. But what really is so unlucky about the number 13? Where from actually did the superstition begin? The ancient Sumerians developed a numeral system based on the use of number 12. 12 are half days, 12 months, and 12 zodiacs. So 12 soon began to be known as the perfect number or the epitome of perfection. And 13 was the poor, imperfect number that unluckily followed the 12. It is also known as the fact that Jesus was being betrayed by his 13th disciple, Judas. Later we see Apollo 13, the failed moon-bound mission by NASA, still illustrating the dangers of people working in space. 80% of the high-rise buildings in the US do not have a 13th floor. Vast majority of the hotels, hospitals and airports avoid using, rather keeping, the gate number 13 or a room number 13. So when you see a number 13, would you start believing it's going to indicate an upcoming bad luck? Or would you just see it as a 1 and a 3, which is reducing to a sum of a 4, where 1 means action, 3 means expression and communication, and 4 means being in touch with reality? It is actually your call, it is your personal code, and there are no hard and fast rules. Because you can get to see anything. You can see a single digit, you can see double digits as a sequence, you can see 3 digits, a combination sequence, you can get to see any message. It is your personal message from the universe and it is calling you to connect with it. Now, one more thing that needs a mention out here is you must not be looking for a particular number sequences. Every time you come across a number, you should not start believing that it's actually a message from the universe and universe is trying to communicate with you, because it doesn't happen like that. When you are ready for it, it will itself come to you. You would not have to look for it. Now, it is always good to take the sequences on a positive note, look at the positive end of the number vibrations and be on the positive end of your personal number vibrations. And whenever you are seeing a particular repeating sequence which is again and again repeating in front of your eyes, you must immediately decide to acknowledge the sequence and acknowledge the universe, thank the universe for, it's been trying to communicate with you. You must decode it and you must personally look into the details of the sequence. Once decoded, the sequence will change into a new sequence and a new message to you. Say for example, this is your personal profile, you're a birthday 3, life path 9, soul 6, name 3 and personality 6. So that's gonna make you a number pattern 93663, and you often come across people who have very, very compatible, almost natural match patterns to you, say 35639 or 62966. And while traveling, you often notice very compatible car number patterns. Say the number plate shows a 3639. The milestone, every time you look at the milestone, shows some compatible numbers, say 36 kilometers. So all these compatible numbers and coming across compatible numbers every now and then is very uncanny. So what that would actually mean is the universe is trying to indicate that you are actually on the right path. So you should just go on traveling that path. There are several times that I come across people who are especially unlucky and they put a lot of efforts in a lot of directions which do not work out for them. However, others seem to be getting away with much lesser efforts. Now, it might mean two things. First, yes, you are putting efforts, but the universe is changing the grids every time you're going to follow a particular path. It might mean that the universe is wanting you to realize something and act upon something else possibly. It might also mean that it is just a difficult time in your life path or just a little difficult phase in your life and it will just pass away. However, if it is a prolonged bad time, it indeed has a deeper meaning for you to cultivate upon. So I think that's going to be all about today's topic. In my next log, I would be once again starting with the life path numbers and discussing the life path numbers in details, and that's going to be a very, very interesting topic. So stay tuned for that. Now, let us have a look at the last log's question, its correct answers, and let us select the winning entry. So this was the picture in question, my last log, and the question was, this is a scene from which movie? And the correct answer to that was Avatar. Okay, so here we have all the correct entries from the last log's question. And first we're going to shuffle all the names. Now, whoever amongst you gets selected, please make it sure that you have provided all the information in the correct sequence. Now, let us go for the shuffle first. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna select one out of so many names. So let's now go and pick one name out of all these names, our final winner. We will again have a new set of questionnaire after some time. Now let's see who wins. Okay, here we go. Okay. So we have our winner, who is Jonathan Grant. Congratulations, Jonathan. You are our final winner, and you will be getting your numerology analysis and evaluation in a matter of, say, 10 days or something like that. So congratulations, and please wait, because I make all personalized reports, so it takes some time. So that's going to be all for today's log. If you liked watching the log, please click like below and like the log. You can also subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates on the upcoming topics. You can also join my Facebook page by the name of Inner World Revealed. My personal website, once again by the name of Inner World Revealed, will be out very soon, so you can also visit that. And for the time being, thanks a lot to all my viewers and subscribers. You are my prime source of motivation and energy. And thanks a lot for supporting me. And thanks a lot for watching Inner World Revealed.